The Mylivell LED flashlight glove is a truly innovative and practical accessory that brings convenience and functionality to a whole new level. As a versatile and practical finger flashlight glove, it has quickly become a must-have for anyone in need of hands-free illumination. One of the most impressive features of this glove is its one-size-fits-most design, which makes it accessible for a wide range of users, including those with larger hands. The stretchy material ensures a comfortable fit, so you can wear it for extended periods without any discomfort. The package comes complete with batteries and a screwdriver, ensuring you can get started right away. This attention to detail in providing everything needed for immediate use is a definite plus. The Mylivell LED flashlight glove is more than just a novelty gadget, it is a practical tool for a variety of activities. Repairing a car at night becomes a breeze with the powerful LED lights on your fingertips, providing targeted illumination precisely where you need it. No more fumbling around with handheld flashlights or relying on someone else to hold the light for you. Moreover, the glove proves to be indispensable for night fishing enthusiasts. The enhanced visibility ensures you can easily handle your fishing gear, bait, and catch with ease, making it a game-changer for a successful night on the water. Overall, the Mylivell LED flashlight glove is an essential addition to your tool set, camping gear, or fishing tackle box. It not only offers a convenient and hands-free lighting solution but also delivers on its promises of versatility and practicality. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a mechanic, a camper, or a night fisherman, this glove will undoubtedly become your go-to accessory. So, why struggle with handheld flashlights when you can wear the Mylivell LED flashlight glove and illuminate your way with ease?